What if I told you I cracked GATE in data science paper with a full-time job, working 5 days a week with zero budget and only discipline? So in this video, I'm gonna be answering those questions that you have been asking since the day I started content creation. Welcome back to Tensor Things, where we talk about AI, machine learning and different data science concepts, and I try to explain those concepts very easily in this channel. So if you are new to this channel, just click the subscribe button to be along with me in this journey. So let me give you a brief context about who I am and what is my background. I completed my BTech from IISc Sripur into the civil engineering department in around 2022, and then I joined TCS as an AIML developer. That journey's video is uploaded in my channel. You can go check it out and skip to 2024 June where I started preparing for a GATE data science paper, and finally the result, I got All India rank 437 into the data science paper of 2025 GATE. Now, a lot of you are asking how I have made it possible to get All India rank 437 in this GATE data science paper along with having a full-time job. So this video is about that, how, and the exact resources that I followed to crack GATE within 8 to 9 months of time. Let's talk about the routine first that most of you guys have been asking since these 30 to 50 days where I have started content creation. So my routine was I used to wake up at around 5 am in the morning, and then I used to get fresh and have my breakfast by 6, and from 6 to 9 was the first studying session that I was having, where I used to watch lectures, read different books. By 9:30 I used to get ready for my office and leave for my office, and by 10 I used to be in office starting with my work. And after that, the whole working day, I used to reach back to my flat at around 7 p.m. in the evening, and by 7:30 I used to have my snacks in the evening and then get started to the next studying session. The next studying session was about only practicing different questions, and wherever I am failing to solve those questions, I used to revisit those notes and video lectures and books, and that session used to last till 10 p.m. in the night. And after that I used to have dinner, consume some social media, talk to my family, and then by 11 I used to go to bed, and that's how I used to complete a day in the weekdays. I used to follow a different routine, kind of that weekends I was having a little bit of more time than the weekdays. So in weekends I used to wake up around 7 am in the morning, and then I used to start reading and watching lectures from 8 to 11, and from 11 to 11:30 I normally went for taking a bath, having some food, and 11:30 to 1:30 was another session that I was having to watch some different lectures, read some different books on maybe probability, statistics and other concepts like DBMS, DSA. Those books I used to read that 11:30 to 1:30 session. After that I used to have my lunch and take a quick nap. It was not so quick. I used to wake up around 4:30, and from 5 to 8 was the time when I used to practice and revisit my lectures, revisit my notes that I have prepared. And from 8 to 10 I used to have some social media, used to watch some YouTubes, some different types of contents like some comedy to fresh up my mind. And then I used to have my dinner, and then I normally go back for a sleep. And that was a very rough description of how my routine in the weekends used to look like. Now I'll be very real with you. This plan was not perfect. Every day was not same. Someday I used to feel very exhausted after the office hours, but with consistency, if you can put some hours in studying your concepts and go on completing your normal day tasks, that's pretty fine, and that consistency will only give you a better results. Now the section for which you have been waiting, the exact resources for a zero budget GATE data science preparation plan. Let me take you through the resources one subject at a time. For the mathematics part, mostly focusing on linear algebra, calculus and probability, I have taken the course from YouTube playlist that is available from GATE Academy, statistics and advanced probability. For these sections, I used NPTEL's lectures which are freely available on YouTube, and this is what exactly you need for your data science paper into the GATE. Coming to data structure and algorithms, for this I have studied from the playlist by Amit Khurana, and that is mostly focusing on C types of syntax and very theoretical lectures which will give you clarity on different concepts, different data structures and algorithms. And that's a quite long playlist, I would say, but that will give you the idea and clarity about those concepts which are exactly required for the data science paper. DBMS and SQL I have studied from the same teacher, Amit Khurana. So he is having a little bit of old playlist, but that is having the comprehensive guide and also the lectures along with the handwritten notes that you can refer from, and also along with that a great theoretical explanation with a lot of practice questions in that which will help you to gain confidence on that subject. The next subject is artificial intelligence. I have studied it from one of the playlist by IIT Delhi that gives you the clarity on different search algorithms and different more AI concepts, which is kind of very fundamental for this GATE data science paper. Now coming to the machine learning I have studied from the free YouTube courses by PhysicsWallah, and as at that point of time machine learning and this data science paper is a bit of new, so they have completed or they have covered a vast amount of concepts, and I think which is necessary, and some of the parts you can skip from this GATE data science perspective, but the newer playlists that are coming out, those are very pointed towards GATE data science paper, and whatever it is been asked in these last few years, they have made that new playlist more focused and removed a lot of unnecessary things that are not so much important for this GATE data science paper. Coming to Python, I haven't taken any such specialized courses for Python because I have been working in this domain for around 2.5 years at that point of time, right? So I was having a good grasp on that Python language, and I was having quite a good knowledge on that programming language. So I haven't taken any subject or courses yet for that. So to summarize these sections, I have referred different YouTube playlists from GATE Academy, Amit Khurana, NPTEL and PhysicsWallah. Just to mention, I have taken one paid mock test set of exams from MadeEasy. That was quite good. Few of the questions was not that so great and was having some mistakes. I would suggest it was a great for practicing because it simulated environment for the GATE. The UI was very near to the one that you are having in GATE exam. So I can suggest that you can take any of the mock tests that are available right now in the online different platforms. So that was the full information I tried to summarize in a short video. People were asking about my routine, the resources that I followed for the zero budget GATE preparation plan. I hope this video will be very helpful for the ones who are trying to get into the field of AI through the data science paper in GATE, and who are also thinking to prepare just to prove or just to have an confidence that they belongs to this data science field. If you found this video helpful, then do share it with your friends and also like this video. This genuinely helps this channel to grow, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm coming up with more AI videos, more AI concepts. So take care until the next video.